odd cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Rock
Looks
Island
like
County in
severe
northwestern
thunderstorm
Illinois,
warning.
Putnam
A severe
County in
thunderstorm just now
north-central
moved
Illinois,
out of the Iowa
County
area.
in northwestern Illinois, Bureau County in north-central Illinois until 11:15 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hillsdale to near Jubilee College State Park, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
It
Source,
says there's no
radar
hail
indicated. Impact,
yet.
expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Henry County Fairgrounds, Dollarville, Cherry, German Corner,
That's for the entire
Oklahoma,
Putnam, Henry, and Bureau County.
Casimir, Manlius, Lamoille, Tacoma, Kewaunee Municipal Airport, Neponset, Shady Beach, Van Oren, Milo, Osborne, Arlington, Providence, Princeton, and Magnolia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 10 and 72. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 14 and 33. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Red flag warning remains in effect until midnight.